Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve photos is staying as a background process on your Windows 10 computer. And possible reasons for photos app running in the background include changes in the app's behavior due to updates, bug in the app, corrupted and incomplete app files. Then I'll show you solutions to fix this problem. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to checking for photos update. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then you need to type Microsoft Store, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at Microsoft Store, then next step, go to download sections here at left side navigation panel, and then you need to click this downloads. And then once you open up here at updates and downloads, then you need to find and locate this photos app, or you can search here at searching address bar and then click. Then you need to type photos, and then you need to select this Microsoft Photos and then click to open. And then once you open up here at Microsoft Photos, so if there is an update, then you need to install in downloads. So if you see here an updates, then you need to click to fix this error. And then once you completed the installations and updates for Microsoft Photos, then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to close Photos using Task Manager. So all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar, and then you need to select this Task Manager. And then once you open up here at Task Manager, and then on Processes tab, so you can see here this Processes tab here. Then you need now to select this Photos app. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. Then all you have to do is to select this End Task. And then once you end task this Photos app here, and then we need to close again. And if the error is still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to repair or reset the Photos app. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type photos, and then you need to right click here. Then you need to select app settings. And then once you open up here at Photos app settings at left side navigation panel, and then you need to scroll down. And then here now at reset settings, so all you have to do is to tap this repair and then click, then wait to complete the repair process. And then after that, if this app isn't working right, then the time we need to reset. So all you have to do is to tap or click this reset, then pop up this notifications. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then you need to click this reset and wait to complete the reset process. And then after that, then we need to close, and then here at the power button here, then click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows settings error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.